Okay guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today is big day, and we have just closed the doors of our accommodation in Morocco for the last time. And then the atmosphere is still quiet, and in the morning air is chilly, and then there is a sense of sadness leaving their countries of exotically architecture. But yeah, our excitement is even greater for our next destination is the Netherlands. And then the bus began to move through the Moroccan route toward the airport, and then inside we suddenly started out the window and capturing the remaining scene of the typical North African buildings before finally arriving at the airport. Okay, as soon as the bus stopped in front of the terminal buildings, and then we were immediately greeted by airport is iconic architecture, and then the Moroccan airport typically combine magnificent modern design with yeah distinctive Islamic geometric patterns on the roofs and the walls, and then the brick Moroccan sunlight the streamed struck the large glass window and creating beautiful windows on the polished marble floors. Okay, so the most exciting part was when the boarding call began. Interest of going through the usually hallway. We were directed down a flight of stairs to an airport bus, and then this bus took us around the apron or aircraft parking area through the bus windows, and we could see various international airlines, and then the VUC ground crew preparing the aircraft. And then before stepping through the door, I paused for a moment and then took one last step, breathed of the Moroccan air, and then looked out the horizon, and then the plane was ready to take off, and then the adventure to the Netherlands had begun.
Oke guys, jadi pada pagi hari ini
Okay, so we
jam
are arrived in
8.40-an
the Netherlands just
kita
as the morning
siap
sun
dari
was
bandara
rising and us
airport
on us
ya.
we excited the airport, and then the fresh
Dan sekarang
Dutch
kita
air
mau
immediately
menuju ke
felt different, and
bis
we walked
yang udah
a short
sebelum-sebelumnya kita sewa.
distance to the parking
Dan
area for our tour bus.
eh,
And then the bus
pada
was
pagi hari ini
waiting, and the
cuaca
journey
di sini
began. And our first
menunjukkan
destination
sekitar
was the iconic
8
fishing
sampai
village of the Volendam.
9 derajat Celcius.
And then yeah, as soon as I got off the bus in Volendam, I was completely amazed, and then my gaze immediately fell on the calm and then the blue expanse of the sea. But what really caught my attention was what
Oke
was
guys,
on the right side
ya,
of
walaupun
the road
begini juga kita ngomong tetap
is yeah the arrow of the neat and the beautiful and unique houses, and the architecture was distinctive with bold yet elegant colors. And
Oke
then
guys,
we
jadi
spent
di
about
sini
two
kita lagi di
hours
pinggir
in here,
pantai dan ya
and
ini
it
suasana
feel like
di
yeah
Belanda seperti
stepping
ini.
into the
Dan kita lihat sana
postcard,
itu ada
maybe like
pantai
that.
dan laut dan juga ada fare kecil atau ya kapal kecil. Kayaknya bisa dinaikin dan sini cuacanya dingin, berangin. Kalau semisal kita ngomong juga keluar asap. Di sini belum pada buka karena di sini tuh masih pagi banget, jam 9. Mungkin sama kayak di Mesir atau enggak di Maroko tuh paling sekitar jam 12 mereka baru pada buka mungkin. No. Tokonya masih pada tutup dan ya mungkin rata-rata dari mereka tuh bisa berbahasa Indonesia.
Okay, this is my story about the Volendam, and the Volendam was once the main port of the night boring town, and then Edam, and then this village is the famous for its resident who the maintain here there, the tradition, and then including their traditional clothing that you often see in the tourist photo. And then this village is very unique because what? Because yeah, despite being the tourist center, the atmosphere is still warm, and then the beautiful of the sea is combined with small canals and the aesthetic souvenir shop, and the walking here for yeah 2 hours is not trying those very corner is very Instagrammable. Okay, after enjoying the sea air in Volendam, we return to the bus, and to our next destination is the Zaanstad, Amsterdam, Holland. And upon arrival, the scenery was even more Dutch, and before our eyes were rows of the giant and still functional windmills, and then sea against yeah a backdrop of the picturesque green wooden house, and this is feel like stepping back in time, the 80 or 19th century. Okay, so we entered one of the buildings, which turned out to be traditional cheese making facility inside, and a distinctive aroma of milk and the cheese immediately felt our sense, and we had the opportunity to see how to milk in process into the large blocks of the cheese, and then the best part, we got the symbol of the variety of the cheese, and then from onion and then chili flavors to agate cheese with a very strong flavor. Okay, this is about the sun sense. This is an open air museum, and then showcasing what industrial life was like in Netherlands in the past, and then the windmills you see are not just decoration, and then some are used for sawing wood and then grinding grain, and then even pressing oil. The sands provide a vivid glimpse into the how the ducks struggle and then collaborate with the wind and the water to build their prosperity, and then wandered around for over an hour and taking photos in front of the windmills and enjoying the serenity of the immaculate Dutch countryside. Okay, after the satisfying tour of the suns, our legs were starting to ache, but our hearts were filled with joy, and then we decided to return to the bus, and then the journey to our accommodation took about 4 hours, and then this was a perfect time to rest, and then on the bus most of the house dozed off and exhaust, but I constantly woke up and then peeked out at the window, and then the view of the Dutch highway was smooth and then surrounded by vast green and pastures with grazed crow, and then this was a truly shooting sight before we reached our rest stop. And then yeah, that's that concludes our long journey today, and then from the hostel and then the bustle of the airport in Morocco, and then the beautiful sea in the fallen land, and then the tasting cheese, and then the sight of the wild meats of the Zanzans, and then the Netherlands truly made of the wonderful first impression. And now we have arrived at our combination, and then it is time to recharge for tomorrow adventure. And then yeah, thank you for joining us, and maybe that's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.